Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to open Office 365 application on your Windows computer. So if you're unable to open Word, Excel, PowerPoint or any Office application, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So the first step is to run Office application as an administrator. So suppose, for example, if you want to open Excel, you can just make a right click. You can type in Excel and then make a right click on the Office application and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you open it as an administrator and then check. If that does not work, then the next step is to update Office. Now for this, you can open any Office application and then go to file and then go to account option. So click on account. Once you click on account, you will see this screen. Now over here you can see update options. Click on it and then click on update now. Once the update is complete, now you can launch Office application and then check. Still not working. The next step is to repair Office. To repair Office, you can just type in control panel in Windows search box and then go to control panel. Click on uninstall a program and over here find Office 365. Once you find Office 365, just make a right click and then click on change. Click on yes to allow and then you will see quick repair option. So select the option quick repair and then click on repair. And once the repair is complete, now you can check. If that does not work, then you can even go for online repair. It will fix all issues but takes a longer and requires an internet connection throughout. You can select this option if you are still having problems after quick repair. And during online repair, it may uninstall and reinstall Office. So make sure that you have your Office account available. Make sure that you have the email and password for your Office account. So you first of all try quick repair. If that does not work, you can go for online repair and then after the repair you can check. Now still not working. The next step is to uninstall Office 365. So you can just go to control panel and then you can make a right click and then click on uninstall. And once you uninstall the Office 365, but before you uninstall it, make sure that you have your email and password for your Office account, because you have to log into Microsoft website and then you have to install your Office once again. So uninstall Office 365 and then close, disable or uninstall CCleaner or WebRoot antivirus or any third-party antivirus which you think may be the cause of the problem. So for many users, uninstalling CCleaner has worked or closing WebRoot antivirus has worked. So you can try this. So if you have this CCleaner running, you can just make a right click and then you can exit CCleaner and then check. If you have this WebRoot antivirus, you can close this or you can just disable it, and then after you uninstall it, then disable your antivirus program, or you can even uninstall your antivirus program and then restart your computer and then reinstall Office 365 from Microsoft website. And this has worked for many players, so it might work for you. And once you are able to open Office, you can always enable your antivirus program. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to open Office application successfully on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.